Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate and show how we can scrape data or a directory list of names and emails of faculty from a web by using Microsoft Excel. So to do that, let me share my screen. All right, so I have a website, our university website here, and they have a couple of colleges that have directories. So I will click on the first college, and then I will go to the first directory here, and I will open Microsoft Excel in order to be able to scrape the list of emails. So we'll start maybe with this academic department. Click on it, and I can see that there is a web table here. So I will go to Microsoft Excel, a new sheet, and I will just go to data, and then I will say from web. So before that, I need to copy the link that has this directory. So I'm copying the URL or the link, and I will come here and go to data from the web, and I'm going to insert that URL in order to be able to scrape that data from that site. So I'll copy it, I'll paste it there, and then I'll say okay. All right, so now it shows me the different documents in that web, and I'm interested in the faculty directory. So this is exactly how I want it to look like. And I'll just say load. All right, so this is a beautiful table. So then I can do the same thing for the other departments. If I go to the other department, let's say counseling, and then I'll just copy this, and the same thing, it will put it in another table from the web. And we can do this one repeatedly until we get all the directories at that university, because that's what we want. We want to collect data from faculty through surveys, and to get their contact information, this is the best way or the easiest way for us. So now we have two departments, and then you can continue and do the rest. So I'll stop here.